Yo, what up? Got a new sneaker unboxing in today from the Facebook group. He gave me a good price on these. These are used. Let's get this open. This is an older Nike SB box. Nicely wrapped with bubble wrap. Alright. Nike SB. Check it out. So the colorway is Gym Orange Chilling. And that's about it. Retail is 88 bucks. And he gave these to me for $70. Sold it to me for 70 bucks. So let's take a look. These are the Nike SB Fire and Ice. I think this was a pack. So yeah, these are used. Got the icy bottoms, but it's worn because he worn them. Yeah, I got the little suede on the toe box. Got this ice blue laces, like light blue. Fat Tongue Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. The insole Zoom Air still pretty clean. He said he wore these a couple times. These are pretty old shoe. I got the other pair. He said he doesn't have the extra laces, which I'm fine with it. Check it out. Suede. Very, very clean. Check it out. SB. It's like an infrared orange. Two types of orange. There's like a burnt orange, and there's like a infrared color. But yeah, newest pickup. Shout out to the homie in the Facebook group. You know who you are. Thanks for the good deal on this. Nike SB Fire and Ice pack. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I think there's another pair. It's like a lighter colorway. But yeah, happy about this pickup. Leave a comment what you guys think. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.